bow with borders coming up. Hey crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but you can call me Risa. In this video, I will show you how to make a bow with border. It's actually a simple bow with tails, but with the border all around the edges, it makes this bow so gorgeous. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, let us prepare the fabric. I am using cotton fabric for this, and you can use any fabric. But I would say that cotton is the easiest fabric to sew for a beginners, and it has a lot of patterns for us to choose. You want a flower pattern, polka dot, stripe pattern, or even plain colors has a lot of variety for us to choose. Like these red colors, it's totally different, but all are red colors. We will need two different fabric. One is for the bow and one is for the tails. And now this is for the tails. The size is about 22 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Next, we are going to prepare the border. Prepare a long strip of fabric, and the width is about 2.5 centimeters or 1 inches or an inch. If you can hardly cut a small strip of fabric like this, you can use ribbon like satin or grosgrain or even cotton ribbon. So I will put the tape and I will cut a little longer than the fabric, and we are going to sew this part. After this, we are going to press the fabric. You just fold it away and press it. After we press both fabrics, we are going to do the left and right side. So just prepare one and another one, and we are going to sew this part. Press the fabric once again, so we fold the fabric away and press it. Now we have finished the border. Next is to prepare a larger fabric. I would say that larger is easier to sew, but if you don't want to waste so much fabric, you may need 25 by 12 centimeters is fine. Now we are going to flip the fabric over, flip it over, and we are going to sew all around the fabric and leave an opening right in the center. Lift the needle down and then lift up the presser foot, and we can adjust the fabric. So this is the back side, and I have leave an opening right here. Now you can cut the shape according to the shape. Next, cut the corner. Be careful not to cut through the threads. Now we can flip the fabric right side out. Use some pointy stuff to push the corner. Next, press the fabric once again. Press and press and press. Keep pressing it. So many small fabric. I will use my vacuum cleaner. Now we can draw the center of the fabric. Now this is for the tails, and we are going to make another one for the bow, and the size is about 15 by 8 centimeters. So it's exactly the same. We sew the borders, press it, and then sew the left and right side, press it, and then prepare a larger piece of fabric, sew it and turn it over, and then press it once again, and we will get this bow. For the bow. Next, we are going to join the both of the fabric together. First, I want to make it as perfect as possible. So this is the opening here. I will measure about 2 centimeters from the opening right here, and then you can find which one is the opening. So this is the opening for the bow, and we are going to join the openings together so we can hide it perfectly. Now we will gather the fabric right in the center. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. If you want to make this as a hair clip, let's put the hair clip at the back side. Attach a hair clip with hot glue gun, of course. Next, we are going to finish the center. Prepare a fabric. The size is about 12 by 4 centimeters, and I have folded the fabric to the center and fold it in half and then press it. Now you can adjust it to the center and sew this part for the last time. For this part, always move the needle to the left side. Okay, and then we can start sewing. Cut the excess fabric and then flip it over. Measure the bow on one side and then measure it on the other side. Add some glue right in the center to make it stays in place. And that's it. Our beautiful bow with borders is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you have any requests or any suggestions, you can also write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye bye!